Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can change video perspective in CapCut. So it's a pretty simple process, and of course this works for any video that you're using, whether it's vertical or horizontal. I'm using an example video just to teach you, and you can go to your CapCut mobile app and do the exact same process with the video you want to change perspective of, and it will work. Now one of the things I suggest you doing is you can add a background as well to this, which means that you can add this video itself by an overlay on an actual video, since it'll look good with the background. So basically what you need to do is, first of all, you'll select the video, and from there you will go to animations, which is the third option. Now from here you will select combo. You can see in, out, and combo. You will just simply go to combo. Now you're just going to scroll all the way down until you get these angle videos. These are the videos that change perspective. As you can see right here, you've got cube, you've got flip 2, you've got smartphone, you've got smartphone again, you've got triplets 2, you've got flip 2, you've got angle 2. Now you can see some of these are CapCut Pro. If you got CapCut Pro, you can use those as well with the CapCut Pro. If not, then you can use the simple ones. For example, let's go with angle 2, since it will properly show how to change the perspective. Now as you can see, your video perspective is being changed. Normally the video wasn't like this, and now your perspective of the video has been changed, as you can see right there. You can also edit the time this goes on from by scrolling down below. As you can see right here, it's going much faster now. You can select that from down there as well. And what you can also do is add this video as an overlay to a background video. So if you want to make and change perspective of an actual video, what you're going to do is you can, for example, first be working on a video, and if you want to add it as an overlay, you'll just press on overlay, and from there you'll just go to add overlay and choose the video from your gallery and do the exact same process with it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.